Hey guys, my name's here. Today, I'm going to be showing you all the vending machine locations, boss locations, and crystal spawn locations. I know, the mic quality sounds bad, but you have to bear with me, alright? OBS Studio doesn't like my other headphones, so I'm like, using this crappy one. Okay, let's get started. First, we're going to start with the vending machine locations. Alright, so obviously, the first one's right here. And the other ones at the B pit right there. Okay, wait. See, right here. This one sells Phoenix and Culkin, Seraphim and Diablos, Cygnus and Dronsword, Dragoon and Phantom, Blaze and Gleipnir. It also sells some boards. Best one, by the way, Sonic board. And you can upgrade your parts to tier 1, tier 2, tier 3 to tier 5. Sell items. That's cool. The other vending machine location is behind this waterfall right here. It only sells tops, so it just sells Valkyrie, Chaos, Helios, and Odin. And the other one is just right next to it, like right behind that wall. So you just go over to the beach, and boom. This vending machine sells the Spryzen and Achilles sets. So boom. And if you get like the same parts from like, you know, this and like equip it onto eBay, you get like a 15% set boost because you're like using all the same parts from eBay. I think. Okay, is that way you word it? Anyway, the third location is on top of the WBBA tower. So let's just make our way over here, go through this alleyway, and I'm gonna, like, you know, speedrun this because it's a very tall tower, and wow. And boom, now we're here. Whoa, magic. So this vending machine sells Shadow and Titan parts. It sells the Titan set. By the way, the best defense parts right here, okay? Don't use these ones. Shadow is useless. But Titan, mwah, 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 amazing. So last but not least, what is happening? You know what? Who needs hoverboards, okay? We don't need hoverboards for where we're going. And I'm not moving. Okay, let's go. Let's go. So, yeah. Anyway. Okay, so last but not least, ow, is one right here by the construction site. The Astral set and Spider set. Best parts for attack, by the way, just saying. Well, not this one, I think. I don't know, I don't use these tops, but these parts right here, mwah, amazing. Okay, first, okay. You might be wondering what are traits. Traits, alright, give you a special ability for your parts. So like this one. Oh, Shadow Middle, Turbo 3. It like reduces like the boost and skill cooldowns. Culkin, Piercing. See, rare. Boom, cool. Ow, 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 ow. Alright. Now, we're back. Alright. Now we're back, okay? We're back. Now we're going to talk about all the boss locations around the map. Because I'm bored. Oh my god, bro. Oh! So the first boss, you just want to go up here, turn left, then turn right, to Blader's Fitness. Giorgiano Alfredo. Very, very cocky dude, by the way. Look at this beautiful smile. It's one to kiss him. Easy. Right, these bosses give a lot of XP. It's cool. It's amazing. Alright, the second boss. Just go down here by the river, I think that's what it's called. Turn right, and then turn right again to Annalise Schneider. She has a really annoying skill, by the way. They just like lets her regenerate and stuff. Like, boom. Alright, the third boss is right here, Emerald Lawrence. And this dude spams, you know, just like all the skills in his hotbar. Like watch this, I'm not gonna do anything, he's just gonna spam everything. Okay, never mind then. Alright, the third and final boss. We're going to go over to this side of the second part of the city, by the skate park. And we'll go past these two delinquents and go inside and see him. Yeah, like sitting, standing, I don't even know, leaning? I don't know, weird. But look, Alejandro Ortiz. This dude has, you know, very little health, but his attack is amazing. And very hard. See, look at that. Oh, ow. Alright. Okay. Alejandro. All the bosses drop fragments, alright. But Alejandro and Annalise drop auras. Auras make your person look very cool and boost your power by 15%. Well, you know, you remember the Gustavo dude? He drops spins to, you know, get this, right? Get that. Wait, where is it? Right there, Spirit Roll. Gives you 3 spins. Okay. Now, the moment you've all been waiting for, right? All the crystal spawn locations that I know of, okay? And allegedly. First, we're gonna go to like the nearest one. It's by the beach. Yeah. Someone beat me to it. I was very sad earlier. But one spawns right here, between this cactus and this hut shed thing? Yeah. Right here. Alright, the second one is at the top of the BBA tower. Like right next to the you know, vending machine in the stadium. I'm too lazy to, like, you know, climb up that again. So yeah, nah. Alright, the next one. Apparently one spawns, you know, around the ice thing. But that maybe just be like that one up there, the WBBA tower. But hey, all right. The next one is by here, the construction entrance. Right here, right here. Someone beat me to it, and I was sad. Oh wow. All right, the last one. You know, it's by the ghost tears. Right here. This is like the most frequent one that I keep getting it at. I got like my last 4 from here, from this place. So it's just by, you know, the ghost tears right here. What's trainers here? Since when there was trainers, what the hell? Anyway, you guys wanna know what crystal does? Crystals are right. They boost your power by, you know, 50%. 50. Amazing. Look. It'll grant your Bay a legendary status like this one right here. And give you, like, you know, a cool aura on your Beyblade. Look at this. Yeah, right there. So cool. You know, hopefully that helped you out. Hopefully I get views. Also, follow my Twitch. And watch my streams, please. It'll be, like, linked in the below. And also join Soul Betas. Please, we need to catch up, okay? We need to, but you know, we need to beat these two, okay? We need to beat these two. Alright,